looks like we made it. Look how far we come, baby. Might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'd never make it. But just look at us holding on. Still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you, and this one's from Shania Twain, of course, and her big hit, You're Still the One, of course. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Shania Twain. Okay, so let's get to it. Introduction. Starts on a D sus2 chord. That's a D chord with the second finger off, leaving the top E string open. Okay, and what we do is arpeggiate. We go 4th string, top E string open, 2nd string, 3rd string. Okay, so it's okay. Then back to the top E string, 2nd string, back to the 3rd string. So, and then finally another 2nd string. Okay. Then we play a G chord, but slightly different G to start with. I'm leaving the 3rd finger where it is on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and making up the G chord, so the top E string is still open, but I've got the 3rd fret of the 2nd string covered, and I strum down, okay, from the 6th string downwards, okay, and then I hit the 3rd string open, the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, and the top E string open. Okay, so it's so far we've got this. Okay, then I play an A7th, I strum at an A7th, an A chord with an open 3rd string, 2nd on the 4th and 2nd on the 2nd string, the B string, strum down from 5 downwards, and then hit the 2nd string on its own, 2nd fret. Okay. Then we do this sort of unusual chord. Right, so I'm playing here. My 1st finger is now playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and my 2nd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 4th string. The top E string is open, the 3rd string is open, and the 5th string, the A string, is open. And I'm strumming down from 5 down to 1. It should sound like that. I believe the name for this chord has got several names, quite long-winded most of them, but I believe it's an A7 sus4 added 6. Okay, so now we've got this A7, 2nd string on its own, then this funny chord, then I'm taking this 2nd finger up to the 5th fret on the 4th string, and my 3rd finger is going on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. It's like an A7 shape, but the top string is open, the 3rd string is open, and again the 5th string, A string, is open. It should sound like that. So you go, okay, and then we're into the song. Okay, so let's slowly do the intro for you. song, and it starts again with the D sus2. That's a D chord with the second finger off, top E string open. Looks like we made it. Now I'm playing a 4-finger G. Okay, so G chord with the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and 3rd top E string covered. Okay, so looks like we made it. G. Now we play this A7th again and the little climb up. We do the same bit that's on the end of the intro. Okay, so looks like we made it. G. Play A7th. I repeat. Might have took the long way. G. A7th. So we do 2 lots of that, okay? So from the intro to the end of the first verse, then we're going into the pre-chorus, okay? So looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. Might have took the long way. Knew we'd get there someday. Right, now we go back to the D again, the D sus2. They said, I bet G, never A7th. There's no climb up this time, just stay on the A7th, okay? They said, I bet they'd never make it. Just say D again, D sus2. At us G, A7th, still to D sus2, G, A7th. Okay, so this is the pre-chorus. Let's go through the pre-chorus again. It goes they D sus2. They said, I bet G, they'd never A7th make it, but just D sus2. G, A7th, holding on. Repeat. D sus2 together. G, A7th. And then the G, the famous bit that just goes into the chorus on a 4-finger G. Alright? Well, I'm doing it with up, stroke, down, stroke, up, stroke, down, stroke. Okay, got the idea? And then we're into the chorus, right? And that's D, it's still a G. You can play D sus2 or a D there. I'm tending to play the D, straightforward D there. It's still the one I G to E minor. Still A7, 1, 2, G, D, da 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 D, G, A7. G, D, da 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 G, E minor, da 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 A7, da da D, da 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 G, A7th. And then it goes back into the second verse, okay? So chorus again, D. It's a straightforward D this time. I'm covering the top E string as usual with this on the 2nd fret there, okay? Still the one I G, 2, 4-fingered, E minor, da 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 da, A7, da D, da 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 G, A7, da da G, D da 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 G, da, E minor, da 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 A7, da D, da 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 G, A7, da da. In the next verse, da da da, and so on. Okay. And what I did as an outro basically is just to just do the intro again. So when it comes out of the last verse, just do the intro again. Slow down, and I do a little hammer up from the D sus2 to the D as a final chord, okay? So that's it, boys and girls. Shall we go through it together, all together? Okay, from the start. The rest of the song is basically more of the same. Okay, so here we go. Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. Might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'd never make it, but just look at us holding on. Still together, it's going strong. You're still the one I turn to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. And there you have it, boys and girls, my version of Shania Twain's classic You're Still the One. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next lesson.